With a little creativity, you can make delicious foods that are very low in calories. Number 1 is 0 calorie lemonade. You need 1 glass of water, half glass of soda water, handful of ice cubes, juice from 1 lemon, 0 calorie sweetener to taste like sugar free, a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. The procedure is very straightforward. Mix all the ingredients and have a glass of 0 calorie lemonade at any time of the day. Number 2 is watermelon granita. Ingredients include 500 gram of watermelon, preferably seedless, 0 calorie sweetener to taste, and a handful of ice cubes. Scoop out the watermelon and remove any seeds if needed. Blend the watermelon, ice cubes, and sweetener to taste into a smooth mixture. Place the mixture in a freezer until it starts forming icy flakes. Scrape the ice off the edges and stir everything well and place back in the freezer until every bit is frozen. Your 55 calorie snack is ready. Number 3 is hot chocolate. You need 100 ml of almond milk, 100 ml of water, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and sweetener to taste. Mix the almond milk and water and heat it over very low heat in a pan. Mix the cocoa powder and stir well until it's completely dissolved. Add 0 calorie sweetener to taste. Your 25 calorie hot chocolate is ready, a great snack option in winters. Number 4 is hot cinnamon ginger tea. The ingredients are 1 liter of water, 1.5 tablespoon of fresh ginger, half teaspoon of cinnamon and sweetener to taste. Bring the water to a boil, add the chopped ginger and cinnamon, reduce heat to low and let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Serve it warm. The last and my favorite is iced coffee. You need 75 gram of instant coffee, 2 liter of water and sweetener to taste. Make a cup or pot of hot coffee, then put the coffee into refrigerator until it's cold. Then pour the cold coffee into an iced filled glass. Your instant cold coffee is ready. Why you need snacks which are low in calories? Many of us have snacks regardless of hunger in situations when we are bored or stressed. This is called comfort eating. Changing a bad habit of snacking is not easy, but a clever way is to substitute unhealthy snacks with healthy options. Watch this video to understand more about emotional eating or comfort eating. If you have the habit of eating snacks whenever you are sad, depressed or anxious, this video will surely help you overcome this habit. See you next time.